One of the best ways to ensure you're getting the maximum full spectrum of nutrition from the food you eat is to eat the colors of the rainbow. Every single color comes with its own nutrition. It's unique to that color. If you think of orange and the beta carotenes, if you think of green and chlorophyll, every color all the way from white to brown to black to red, green, blue, you name it, every color has its own unique nutrients that supports your body in a way that no other color can. Now, there is one color that's quite rare. It's very hard to get. It's not in very many foods, but it's very key, very essential, and that's the color blue. Now try and think of how many blue foods do you consume? And don't say blueberries, because they're mostly purple. They're wonderful foods, but not that true blue color. Now, one of the best foods are what we call the blue-green algae. This is things like spirulina. Primarily it is green, it does have some orange, those carotenoids, but one of those key nutrients is the blue. Now this is called phycocyanin, and it's a pigment, it's an antioxidant that actually has anti-inflammatory properties. So many benefits and properties to it, and it's so fun too. So we color our Jedi juice, we call it, with the phycocyanin, which is an extract of spirulina. And you can use this at home to help boost your body's performance, color things, have fun with it, and it's one of the greatest foods to add in for nutrition, for fun, and flavor. So Blue Magic, it's an extract of spirulina to get you that blue color and all the nutrients that come with the blue. This Blue Magic, the extract of spirulina, that's that blue pigment, the phycocyanin, is from a company called E3 Live. You might have recognized this brand. They put out what's called E3 Live AFA. That stands for the Latin name of the species, Aphanizomenon floss aquae. That's AFA. Say that 10 times fast. It is a wild blue-green algae. Grows in Klamath Lake in Oregon, very specific type of algae, like spirulina, but different species. Now, the Blue Magic is actually an extract of spirulina. Again, a blue-green algae that they have taken the blue pigment, that phycocyanin, and made an extract into it. So you're just getting those stem cell enhancing, anti-inflammatory, brain boosting properties just from the Blue Magic. And if you want to have some fun coloring it in your food in the kitchen and you want that blue pigment, this is the stuff here. We have it in capsule form. We also have it in powder form too. So whatever you feel is going to work for you, taking it as capsules or working with it in powder. It doesn't have too strong of a flavor, and especially if you're trying to add it as a color, you don't have to add too much that it will overpower in terms of flavor. Whether you're making, herbal jellies, or you're doing your sodas or icing, just adding a little bit goes a long way to give you that nice punch of blue color.